Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a fox laying down in the leaves. So this was a request from this lovely person here. So yeah, if there's something that you would like to see me draw in particular, or you would like to learn how to draw, let me know in the comments below, and I always love hearing what kind of requests you guys have. Also, feel free to like and comment and subscribe because that really helps out the channel a lot. Okay, so let's see our little fox in the leaves. I'm going to start by drawing our little fox's face. So I'm going to have our fox down right here, and he's going to be kind of curled up in kind of like a little ball, and his head is going to be resting on his tail. And he's going to be in a pile of leaves, and up top here I'm going to have some leaves like kind of falling down on him. So I think it's going to be really cute when it's done. Okay, so I'm going to start with the fox's face. Our little fox is going to be asleep, so I'm going to do these little U-shaped eyes and kind of making them kind of thick. So these little U-shaped eyes kind of helping to show that he is snoozing right now. He is a peaceful little snoozer. Okay, so now come down a little bit and we're going to do our little foxy nose. Like that. And I'm just going to color that in dark. And I'm going to do a couple little curved lines like that. That helps to kind of show that his little snout is like further away than these eyes are. All right, so little mouth. We're gonna come up like that and come down again. Just like that. And now we're gonna come up a little further on both sides. And we're going to give him a little U shape here, a little bottom part of his mouth. And now we're going to do the sides of his face. So we're going to come on down and give him some fluff here. And then come on in. And same thing on the other side. And up top, I'm going to give him some fluffy, furry bits. And he needs two great big ears. I'm going to put some fluff here in front of the ear. And then put a line coming down. And another ear. And try your best to make them roughly the same size. Okay, now I'm going to draw a line curving down here to the little mouth part, and do that on the other side too. Okay, so we got our little fox face. Oh, actually, I'm going to give him some whiskers. So 1, 2, I'm going to give him 3 on that side, and 1, 2, 3 on that side. Okay, now we're done our little fox face. Now I want to draw, I was going to draw his tail first, but actually before I'm going to do that, I'm going to draw some leaves. That's going to make a bit more sense after we actually have it done, because we're going to have the leaves here on the ground. So right now I'm just kind of drawing some wacky lines. And I swear it'll make sense when we're done. So it's okay, stuff is like crossing over and just looking kind of scribbly, but I think it's gonna work out okay. Okay, so a few more squiggly parts. And now I can give him his tail. So let's see. Okay, so that's the floofy end of his tail. And so now a bit of floof here. And a little curved line here. This is going to be his curved leg. And now his body. Okay, so he's curled up in a ball. And I'm going to put some fluffy lines here. Because this part of his tail is going to be a different color from this part of his tail. A bit more fluff. And you see, I wanted to do these wacky looking lines first before doing the rest of our fox, because his tail was going to be here, and it helps to show that he's resting on these wacky little lines. And these wacky little lines are going to eventually look like leaves. I'm actually going to make some up here too. You can see he's going to be resting in these leaves. So just continue with these weird little lines. And over here too. These leaves are going to be slightly abstract, and that's okay. So let's see, a few more little squiggly lines. Because if he's in one great big pile of leaves, it would take us all day long to draw each individual leaf. Leaf? It would take us all day long to draw each individual leaf. So that's why we're going to do a little wacky line abstract pile of leaves instead. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to give him a leaf on top of his head. Maybe a leaf fluttered down, and landed on top of his little noggin. And we're going to have some coming down from our sky. You can put these wherever you want. Maybe you don't want any leaves falling on the little fox. That's okay. And in some of these leaves, I'm going to do a little line and do a couple little curved lines coming this way. Kind of helps to make it look more like a leaf. These ones look more like leaves. These ones are more abstract down here. It's okay to have two different styles of something in the one picture. All right, so let's see. I'm going to put it on this one too. And I'm going to give it a couple more. And maybe even one here on his back. And one right here. Another one. And I think that's probably good for now. Okay, so I am going to get started with some coloring. So my colors for the fox, I'm going to make these parts of his ears black. And he's going to be mostly orange with little bits of brown through his fur. And our piles of leaves, our leaves are going to be different oranges and yellows and browns and some like burnt red colors, just all kinds of nice fall colors. I know that this is a weird time of year to do a fall kind of picture, but why not? Why not? There's no harm. Okay, so I'm going to get coloring. All right, so we are done our picture of our fox in the leaves. So I think it turned out pretty cute. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And as always, guys, I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, really good day. And I hope to see you back here next time for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, bye.